Khinkali.
Ooh, so nice. This is how you make Khinkali. Oh. Okay, the Irishman is learning how to make Khinkali.
Okay, so I got to get the water boiling.
Giving a class how to make Khinkali.
You go like this. Close.
You're a true
So
honorary
you
Georgian.
stick it going in that direction on the left.
Keep going on the left.
Yes.
I'm gonna share this on Katie Teacher teaching people, you know?
You hold like this, and you go like this, and you just do this. Okay, and next time, next one, and you go to the next one, and you have to just.
Look at
so
this
you fold it
pleating, it's
over.
so beautiful. And then you end up this.
Okay, let me show you. Yes,
Okay.
correct.
So you
correct.
fold it over.
Yes,
I believe in you, Craig. You're very talented.
you can do this.
You can do this.
Now, when I was an investment banker in New York,
Oh, so they never taught you this. Oh my God, I'm the luckiest girl. He's
Good
gonna make
job.
Khinkali now for me.
Yes.
I get to make more dresses.
Making Khinkali for you.
Yeah.
Good job. For the first one, it's
Khinkali. Yeah, bravo. Woo. Hello, cheese.
okay.
job.
Good job. Good job.
I can tell this is made by Irishmen. This is made by Georgian.
Yeah.
oh, that one went upside down.
It's all right.
Thank you, darling.
So it's supposed to.
Yes, correct. Yes. And you keep going all the way around.
You learn. It just takes practice, okay? Let's see if I remember this correctly, okay? Diana here makes a lot better, but olden days,
Good job. Yay.
I used to be able to make this. So all you have to do is make a pleating. It's like a
Very
skirt.
pretty.
It's like when I make skirts.
Pretty.
Like this, and then at the end you just take the whole thing like this and you twist it. Is that correct?
Some people twist it. Yeah,
Twist
you
it,
can do
right?
that. Yes.
Ta-da! I
Very
think
pretty.
just to compare, this
Very
is
pretty.
her and this is mine. Hers is better.
Yours is different.
She can do it better.
Yours is different.
different. Just
Every-
you got it probably.
Okay, cool.
Delicious.